Hey everyone, I'm Scott Sery, the founder of Know to Grow, where I take you from having no idea how to make money without a boss to growing that idea so that you can live life on your terms. Now, when people buy things, people buy from people. There are some exceptions with the big box stores and those huge online shopping centers, but most of the time, your purchases will be influenced in part because you are because of the person you are buying from. For example, if you could hit up Amazon and buy something that you need that will enhance your life for, let's say, $100, or you could go down the street to Walmart and get it for $99.99, or you could go downtown and get it from a locally owned business where the owner is there working the counter every single day and it's still just $100, most people will get it from the local store. They know, they like, and they trust the store owner. There are some external factors like convenience, and maybe if you're a single parent of 4 kids and it's super hard to get into a lot of stores, online might just be the only way to go right now. But for the most part, it's who you know. Let's consider something though that's not a product. Let's suppose it's a service like a training course. And suppose there are 3 people online selling about the same topic, and that all 3 are similarly priced. You're going to gravitate towards one of them over the other. And there's actually a really good psychological reason for this. Thomas Erickson wrote a book called Surrounded by Idiots. I actually listened to the audio version, so I can't hold up a picture and show you the front of the book. But it talks about the 4 types of human behavior. And to dumb it down a bit, why a joke in one crowd goes over really well but then just falls flat in the other. The reason is that our personalities mesh well with some people and they clash against others. Now back to the idea of buying an online training course. Your personality will naturally gravitate towards the offerer that has a similar personality as you do. So when we're looking at our own offerings, and when we're selling our courses or products, it's really important to inject our personality into these things. Because the people that we will attract are those with a similar personality, and then there's going to be fewer of those clashes as a result. And when things do clash, it's often someone returning a product or being unhappy or just really picky and frustrating to work with. So for myself, I try to do this in a couple of different ways. One is by placing things behind me in these videos that sort of represent who I am. Today it's rock climbing gear. Sometimes it's a bookshelf with my favorite books, and other times I'm just outside where I love to be. Often I'll also try to weave in a little bit of humor, some snarky, cynical sarcasm. I should probably do better with that because sarcasm is what makes the world go round. What I don't weave into my videos is that in-your-face attitude, kind of like what Gary Vee uses. I kind of find that kind of repulsive. It doesn't jive with my personality. And I also try not to be overly exuberant and bubbly like Tony Robbins. It feels forced and it feels fake. Now, that works for both of those guys because it attracts the people with similar attitudes and personalities. You want people that are similar to you so that your offering can be as drama-free as possible. Now, if you're still figuring this all out, head over to www.knowtogrow.com. Sign up for free. There, I'll teach you the no-nonsense way to discover what your skills are that you have, that you can make money with, and so ultimately, you can live a life of freedom.